Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will show you how to edit email template in WooCommerce. So first of all guys, I will show you how to add WooCommerce to your WordPress website, which is pretty simple. So just open your WordPress and then go to plugins, then click on add new, and from over here you will have to click on search for plugins, search for WooCommerce and then click on enter. After that, as you can see here, you can just click on install now for WooCommerce and then activate it. So now for you to be able to change the email that will come with this preset, of course it will not be your email in their preset on their template. So you will have to actually change the email. How to do so? Let's go to WooCommerce and then click on settings. After that guys, you just have to go to emails. So there will be like multiple menus. So just go to emails and here you will find all kind of actions and all type of recipients or emails that you can get. So for example, here this three things: filled order, cancelled order, new order. These are the things that you will receive. So the recipient is you, and this one is order on hold, processing order, etc. These are the ones that the customer is going to receive. So how we can actually change anything in here? For example, let's go to new order. So we can click on manage. And here we can change, for example, we can put here whatever email you like. For example, let's put mine. So um, let's make something like that, something like so, and let's add a name, no order, congratulations for the sale. So here we can just click on save changes, and basically here what I'm going to do is actually go to orders, and let's try to actually create a new order. So add order, let's create a new one, and let's choose a no or something like that, and actually send to customer. So now what I'm going to do is actually go to my email and check if I have received anything. So as you can see, now if I went here, let me just go back and check what is my email. So here it is, my email. So now as you can see, I didn't actually make a customer email here, but overall let's change this to resend new order notification update, and let's actually create an add item, add products, and here we'll add some kind of product. So add order data manually sent to customer. So add to items. So here add a note, paid, and here we can note to customer or note to customer. So here I'm going to click on add, and here basically I will just click on update. Now after that, let's check if we are actually going to receive any email. So here we go, but probably they will not actually send you, because as you can see here, this is not really an order. As you can see, to be able to actually receive these orders, you have to actually go and order it and pay for it normally. So as you can see here, I have created it by my own. There is not too many details and there is no products in my website, but overall that's how you can actually change the emails in here. So you just have to go here, and here you must put the email. If somebody cancelled the order, it will be like that. So change it in all of these. You can even add the email here. Let me just change this to my email as well. So here we go. Remove this, and by the end click on save changes, and just like so you have changed the emails template in WooCommerce. So guys, that's how you can change it. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.